you've had your Thanksgiving dinner and you've carved up all your turkey, but you still have a lot of meat left on to the carcass of the turkey. So how are you going to get it off? Well, fortunately, you don't need any special requirements. You're just going to take a knife and keep cutting into it to get as much of the meat off as possible. Now these are the last leftover bits. Now, a lot of people, my family included, would of course be standing around the turkey after finishing Thanksgiving dinner, picking at all the last little bits and pieces. Because of course, this was the yummiest part, eating the part that you're not supposed to, after you're supposed to be cleaning up, while you're cleaning up. So is the time for people to gossip in the kitchen. But most importantly, is no one's going to see your handiwork. So if the meat shreds a little bit, if you're not getting even slices, it doesn't really matter. Now these are all pieces that you're going to use for your leftovers or saving for the next day. So just get as much off of the bone as you can until you decide what you're going to do with it next.